So I'm here today at Ysgol Cynoed Sant with the First Minister and we're delighted to announce that every primary school in Wales has made children eligible now for free school meals. As a government, we've invested £260 million in rolling out this free school meal offer to all primary school children, and we've had the opportunity today to have a look at the food being prepared, to give a little hand with preparing the food, talking to the children, and it all looks and smells really lovely. They're all really enthusiastic about having their lunch, and it's a really exciting day that we've achieved this milestone of free school meals being available in all primary schools in Wales.